Okay, so today, I forgot which date it is. I got a package from Sneapart, which massive props to him. He sent me a ton of things, and I really thank you. So yeah, let's just dig in. I'm too excited to talk. Okay, so Okay, so I know there was a guy who asked me in the comments if I could get an A311, which here it is. Okay, so ah shit. Okay, so the fucking back wheels broke. Yeah, damn it. Fuck shipping. Here's the A311. Hope you can see it. The dumping wheel. So yeah, the back wheels broke, but whatever. I'll just glue them back. Okay, so next up, I guess, now I'll keep this for the end. Let's open this up, I guess. Oh my god, I should have kept this for the end, no! But since I already opened it, who gives a shit? Yeah, what are those? Oh! It's Deluxe! Deluxe, my beloved! Look at it! It's red! Hey! I think it's a little bit bigger than the mini exquisites. But yeah. So that's the box. What's happened here? Uh-oh. It's got plastic. Shit. Ah yeah, nothing broke. It was all like that. Yeah, it was like that. It's a Forza. You can see the door and the wheel. Oh, two wheels. Okay. I won't even take them out. I'll just fix it later. Next up, I guess this thing. Oh, wait, it's not. I thought it was the famous Wenching. I guess not. Look at it. Yeah, damn. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It didn't break, that's good. Here's the box. And here's the guy himself. Hold on, I'll just get the fucking batteries. Okay, so I got 3 batteries. Even though separation needs 2. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, he plays My World, finally. It's super quiet, I guess the speaker died in shipping or something. And I don't really care, just fix it. But it's beautiful. Wow. That's done. Where the fuck did I put the box? I'll just put those aside. Next up, God, I guess I'll just keep them for the end. Yeah, you can see it already. God, it's beautiful. And I don't think it broke in shipping or anything. So that's great. Because shipping really doesn't give a fuck. God damn, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the Calcutta. Yeah, it's not the same as Sneapart's. He found it for me. It's absolutely beautiful. Here was the sticker, it just fell off, I guess. Someone took it. Let me just put in some batteries and I'll turn it on. I hope it works. There we go. Let's hope. Yeah! It's beautiful. And it works. Amazing. Sorta. Who gives a shit? So yeah, I'll put him here. Next to the rest. And I guess I'll keep this for the end because these are really the greatest. Next up, this over here, the dance spinet. It's definitely one of my favorite Wenchings. So I'm glad to have one. Wow, it's beautiful. I mean, it's the same as Exclusive, but with text. Yeah, I gotta fix him. So, not even turn it on. It plays Excel. What the fuck? It plays Excel. It's the same as you saw on his channel. Oh fuck! Oh no! Ah shit. I don't know if you can see it, but it broke. The plastic broke, sort of. So I have to fix that. Next up, I guess I'll go for this. Oh yeah, honorable mention. Let me just open it out. Okay, so I'll give you a little. Oh fuck! I'll give you a little trivia. This was supposed to go to Nebula, which fuck you, Nebula. But yeah, Snapper gave it to me to piss him off. Oh my god, this room is a mess. God damn. I'll just put in the batteries. Use a shit. 3, 2, 1. It's beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't move because people got a piece, but who cares? I'll fix it. Yeah, it's the same as my 8-70. That's it. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'll just put on the cover, take out the batteries, and put it aside. Okay. Okay, so let me take this guy out. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I have to see this guy in action. Ta-da! It's absolutely beautiful. Goddamn. That's the other cover. I mean the other chip for Hero. The A sticker. I hope you can see it. Yeah, here. It's beautiful. I love it. Fun fact, I actually found the listing for Snapper. The same day I found the medium for him. So it's nice to see him back. Next up, we'll take him. Oh yeah, the A321. I hope he didn't break in shipping. Look at him! He's the K, it plays Hero, obviously. Okay, so I put in the batteries. Oh my god, that pitch is beautiful. He was right. Yeah, it works. Absolutely amazing. I love him. Thank you, Snapper. And for the rest, obviously. Oh, yes! I'll just fuck off. Look at it! Hold on. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I absolutely love the mini ones. They're beautiful. I'll just put in the 2 batteries and I'll turn it on. It's beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Next up, here we go. Another one. Oh yeah, it's really orange. On images it looks like it's kind of yellow, but no, it's really orange. Like, at least in person. And this one plays Calcutta, you see. Yeah, it's amazing. Just like the rest. Okay. Next up, I guess we got another Forza. It's beautiful. Look at it! It's absolutely amazing. What the fuck? Okay. I guess that's normal. Yeah. And I'm an idiot. Yeah, so the front wheel and the back wheel are broken. Who cares? Yeah, it works. I like it. It's beautiful. He'll go next to the blue. There we go. Oh, we didn't take this apart yet. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, and it's small. Really small. Like it's a love bug sized. Goddamn. Let me just. Fuck, I forgot to take out the batteries. Okay. There you go. Please. Thank you. Oh my god. This is definitely one of the best finishings. Wow. It's beautiful. This is definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, here's the box. Once again. Here he is. He's back. I'm scared. I think he broke. Let's pray for the... Oh shit. Yeah, it wasn't screwed or something. It broke. I don't know. Yep. I'll fix him. Don't worry. I'll fix him. The only thing I was worried about was the fucking board. I think that's okay. Obviously, we won't turn it on. I wonder why. God, do I hate shipping. Okay, so this is empty. Now we have the two. I think two. Yeah, two. The main ones. Okay, this fell out, which it was a problem already. Otherwise, I think it's okay. Uh-oh. Yeah. But I'll just fucking glue it. Who gives a shit? Yeah, now I have two of the Rarest exquisite cars. They're beautiful. Hope you can see them. Yeah, like that. Okay, so I'll put this here, I guess. Where the fuck did I put the batteries? Oh, they're in the Safari. Fuck. Oh yeah, and I found the cover for the small winching, famous winching auto. Oh my god. This is probably one of my favorites. This is one of my most blessed items in the collection. Wow. I'm glad to have him. I'll put this inside of him, the wheel. Okay, and the best for the last, I guess. Oh my god. Finally, I've waited for this for so long. I waited so long for one of these to pop up. And it didn't. It didn't. But Singapore sent me his. Which, thank you, bless you, bless you. It's beautiful. And nothing broke, which is amazing. At least it seems. Let me just pull out the batteries. And we'll play it. God, I waited for a medium to pop up for months. This is the one that I originally found when there was only a single collector owning one. And Singapore got it. And now he gifted it to me. And it's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Okay. Hope for the best. 3, 2, 1. It's amazing. Wait, hold on. On one hand, we got the medium. On the other hand, we got the brownie. Hold on. I really do hope you can see it. The brothers. Another thing I noticed is I'm the first guy to have all the 95 McQueens. So I have the medium, I have the big sized 95, and I have the small sized. I'll take images later, including my community post likely. So that's gonna be beautiful. And once again, absolutely amazing. So I think that's all. I'll look later in the box if there are any pieces or something, because many things broke. But as for now, so this is the box. I made a big mess, but who cares? Oh my god, there's so many. Oh, and obviously, broken motherfucker. I'll fix it, don't worry. But yeah, that's all. First of all, I just want to thank once again, Sneapard. Thank you so much for sending this over. I'll take amazing care of them. Don't you worry. I'll fix every single one of them. Everything that's broken on them. Or at least I'll try my best. But yeah, thank you so much. And with that said, thank you for watching this unboxing video. The video was edited by Sneapard. So once again, thank you so much. And yeah, see you in the next video.